Hey everyone, this is Simran from Create Your Future. I am a certified EFT practitioner, a law of assumption coach, and a mindset and success coach. If you are somebody who has been saying, oh my God, this is such a beautiful season, it's so much fun, and but so much pressure, this video is for you. If you are someone who has been saying that I have such a sentimental value invested in this time of Thanksgiving, in this time of Christmas, in this time of New Year, it also happens to be my birthday and I haven't seen any movement. This video is going to be for you. If you are someone who has been saying that I've been doing this for 4 years now, 5 years now, I've known this person for this much time and they've never shown me another behavior. And again, it's that time of the year, and I wanted to meet their family, take things forward, but again, it has not happened for me. This video is going to be for you. So if you're struggling with love, and this time of the year, if you're struggling with money, and this time of the year, if you've been struggling with health, could be anything, right? This video is going to be for you. Okay, so let's begin. Now, I have been seeing so many of you in sessions on an everyday basis, and it's been coming up as a pattern. Okay, almost everyone, with the same choice of words, even that we're busy, work is going, so it's like hectic, and there's a lot of things happening with the family, shopping, and just a lot of hustling, and it's fun, when you go out, when you see the markets decorated and it's this festive vibe in the air and everybody's planning something or the other. Some people are planning vacations. A lot of your friends, are getting married or getting engaged, and you are going to be meeting family, celebrating, and it is fun, but it's coming with a lot of pressure, right? And it's not only if you have your SP. Sorry, it's not only if you don't have your SP. I have also heard and seen people where you have the SP, and it's been going okay. Like you're good. You've been on your mental diet, you've seen movement, and things are working out in your favor. Even then, for example, Thanksgiving has gone by a few days ago, and you wanted to meet their family, right? But that never happened. So now, you took that as rejection and you've had arguments with the SP. Again, seeking that assurance from him, trying to find and get that love from him that, okay, because check the story. The story here was that, you've heard this from friends, you've heard this from family, or you've seen this somewhere that if the person has not taken you to meet their family, say by Thanksgiving, or they're not taking you there on Christmas, they don't have plans, they haven't even introduced you to them in any way, as their girlfriend, their boyfriend, they are not serious about you and you're wasting time, right? You have to set boundaries in terms of timeline. If we don't do this by Thanksgiving, this is over. You're not invested in me, I am not wasting my time, and so on and so forth. Now, if, for example, in this case, if you had the SP, you were talking, things were good, you've been on a mental diet, and you've been on a strict mental diet in the favorable story, and you've seen results. But if they did not, say, introduce you to their family on Thanksgiving, why would you want to take that in as rejection? And the answer is sometimes, oh, my friend told me that, if he's not doing this, he's cheating on you. He's not serious about you, just wasting my time. Okay, wasting your time. Or maybe you heard it from your parents, maybe from your sister, that, what, the guy is not serious about you. It's better you start looking for somebody else. Right? So you got to be careful with whoever, because they're all your loved ones, near and dear ones, they want the best for you. But they are not aware of the law. right? And how things work, because they are only seeing what's happening around you in 3D and giving you assurances based on that. And it's not even that, because your 3D, your experience, right? Your external experience is a projection of your dominant thoughts, assumptions, stories, fears, everything good and bad, right? So even when you hear that from, say, your friend, they are mirroring back to you your own fears, right? Whether it's coming from your SP, and you've had an argument about it, or it's coming from your, say, parents, your mother, your sister, your friend, everybody around you in your reality is mirroring back to you your dominant assumptions, stories, belief system, fears, right? So there's no point in, when you see it, you react to it, you go back to your rejection story, right? And then you are also spiraling that, you know what, all the work that I've been doing is a total waste and none of this works. But at the same time, once you know how it works, you've seen movement, you've felt it in your own skin and bones, you cannot just go back to saying, I never knew any of this stuff, right? So in this case, if you're being triggered thanks to the holiday season, Christmas, and you've had memories and you wanted to celebrate it in a certain way, and do not attach, if it's not happening right now, as per your 3D right now, do not take it as rejection. Do not take it as failure. You work on your mental diet, because you could be doing any technique, right? It could be scripting, or you could be visualizing before sleep, like Neville Goddard says, state akin to sleep. Or you could be doing inner conversations, anything. In any of these techniques, you are working on yourself. You are working on your assumptions about yourself, your concept of self, then your concept of your person. Say if you're manifesting love, then about love in general, then maybe also about their gender. What beliefs do you hold about them? And what do you think they're thinking about you? Right? So in all these cases, in all these scenarios, you're always working on you. And then you get that, once that gets projected out, then you get it as proof in the form of reflection, which happens to be your 3D reality. Right? So my only urge and request is that do not attach your happiness, your emotions, your state of mind based on what your 3D is telling you in the moment with respect to whatever plans you had in mind. That I wanted to be, say, engaged by Thanksgiving. It's gone by. It never happened for you. I wanted to meet his parents, say by Thanksgiving. It did not happen. Now, and yes, I've also heard that, what, no, I don't feel the law is working. I don't even feel like celebrating. My year is ruined, and like I'm just a mess, right? So, no, 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 no. Your emotions, your feeling of love, feeling of security, safety, freedom, safety, it all comes from you. If you operate from this place of, if my SP tells me, say these many compliments, that means he loves me, that means he wants to be with me, that means he's invested in me. And so I'm good. I feel happy, I feel okay. If one day he only said 10 compliments, sorry, say 8 compliments out of 10, your mind is like, that's strange. Why did he not say those 2 compliments also? Is he losing interest in me? Has he found somebody else? Is there somebody else in the picture? Did I do something wrong? So because you've not worked on your own sense of security, on your own sense of love, all that is based on what is the SP showing and what is the SP doing, right? And you do not want to operate like that, irrespective of that. And even if you say, you know what, okay, if I had been engaged by this time, I would have been happy. If I would have been married by this time, I would have been happy. Then I would have done so and so and so on, say, Thanksgiving, on, say, Christmas, and, made such and such plans for New Year with family, with friends, with my partner. But now, even in this case, even say you have the ring on your finger, but say the SP, had some other plan, something else came up, and like he had to go somewhere else, like work stuff, family, whatever. Even then, your feeling of safety and security, as a woman, as a partner, as an individual, has to come from your own self. It cannot come on whether you have the ring on your finger or not, right? Or if you have this thing, that we have to celebrate Christmas like this, we have to celebrate Thanksgiving like this, and it's not happened, which is why you're spiraling. No, you go back to the basics. You go back to, what? I am doing this work for myself. I am rewiring the tape that's been playing in my head on autopilot, and I've received this around me in my 3D that I do not like, right? And if you have a 3D experience that you do like, even then, you stay on that mental diet. Because say, you got the ring on your finger, and then you're like, oh, you know what, life is good now. Let me go back to my own self. Let me go back to my old self of not paying attention to where, your mind is going at. No. Your sense of love, your sense of security, your sense of being a priority, your sense of commitment to yourself, your sense of being chosen, your sense of trusting, it's all going to come from you. It's all got to come from you. Not from the SP, not from the money, not from the job. Right? So if you have this time of the year and you've been, living in that low feeling of, nothing's been working out, or, it's the same thing happening again, Thanksgiving's gone by, nothing happened. I see Christmas there, but he's not made any plans. I don't know where we're going. Or if you're in no contact, I want you to utilize this time. Invest it in yourself. Take your control back from, looking at 3D and feeling what the 3D is dictating to you. Right? No. I take control of my own feelings. I take control of my own thoughts. I take control of my own stories going around in my head about myself, about my situation. And then I focus my thoughts, my time, my energy on the solution, right? And not keep living off in the problem, right? So if this video helped you, let me know in the comment section. I intend this empowered you, this gave you the much needed nudge, and you use this time wisely. Okay, do not give in to the noise around you in 3D, that it had to be looking like this perfect, picture perfect version. If you don't have it, you are a loser. No. The moment you decide to work on it, the day you get it is going to be your celebration day. No matter which date, in out of those 365 days. Right? So get that focus of this date on the calendar and bring it back on yourself. Okay, and again, if this video helped you, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to come and coach with me, I am running a sale right now, 50% off on all sessions with me. So you're very welcome to come and book. The details are going to be in the description of this video. And you can also shoot us an email if you don't find a time that suits you, and reception would love to help you. And again, a big thank you to everyone watching my videos. You resonating with them, sending in success stories, and sending all your love. I appreciate and love each one of you. Okay, I will see you in the next one.